Next participant is Jagjit ji.
Jagjit ji.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, respected jury members, fellow participants,
Good evening.
ICAI team. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Jagjit. Yes, sir, we can see.
Before I dive into the technicalities, allow me to share a short story that is close to my heart. Just last month, in the first week, that is the time of GST return filing, a senior accountant I deeply respected passed away. While hospitalized, he kept on saying, I'm okay, I just want to go to that MSME client. Their return must be filed on time. I don't want them to face penalties. Even in his last moments, his mind was not on recovery, it was on responsibility. That moment shook me. It made me wonder, will this be my end story too? Will I also be chasing deadlines when I should be healing, resting, and spending time with my family? This isn't just a story, it is a wake up call. We need to build systems that protect not just compliances but the people behind. So my solution is bot brother. For MSMEs, compliances are overwhelming. GST, TDS, ROC, income tax, departmental notices, payment follow-ups. These deadlines don't stop for illness, emergencies, or life itself. For MSME, missing a return means penalties, but for accountants and CAs, it means sleepless nights, stress, and sometimes sacrificing health. The system depends on human endurance, and that is the flaw we need to fix. So when I thought about this problem, I think about automation. And for automation, I created bot brothers, or the term I used is agentic bhai. The term inspired by agentic AI. And my tool is basically an end-to-end compliances for CA professionals with the clients and with my team and staff. Let me first show you the basic data. So these are my clients with their GST number, the master data. And to make it interactive, I have added all the jury members' numbers in the list. So I hope they don't mind. And whenever their returns become due, it is automatically added in this compliance task. And this is, for example, client's WhatsApp number. And this is my MSME compliance planner, which is seen by my team. So this mail is for where when I get acknowledgements from the department for return filing. And this is my client's email ID. So these are the basic details which I'm going to use. So these are my bots to showcase. The first one is Detendra. The term refer to due date calculator. But the work of Detendra is on every month on the first day, it will calculate due dates for the clients based on their preferences, monthly or quarterly. So it is automatic, but to test here, let me choose a date. For example, next quarter is January 1st. So I selected January 1st as a date. Okay. And then I run the flow. It ran successfully. So what will I see? In the compliance calendar, the details of all active clients, their returns will be added along with their due dates and GSTR 1, 3B accordingly. So this is the task of my first bot. It will calculate dates based on the month. The next one is Remindra, means reminders. Whenever we said something to the client that your return is due, please send the data, they don't usually send it. And we are only left with the regular follow-ups. So what is the work of this bot? On T7, T3, T1, and T plus day, a WhatsApp and email will be sent. For example, for my January return, my due date is 20th. 3B return is 20th. So T minus 7 is 13. Okay. And run. On the WhatsApp, I will get a message that this is an early reminder. Please share document for timely compliances. And on this mail, I will get a mail as well. Now T minus 3 days, that is 17th. Okay. Run. So I will get a message, client will get a message, filing due soon. Kindly confirm readiness along with the mail. And on T minus 1, that is 19th, a client will get a mail and a message, GSTR 3B filing due by tomorrow. Please share pending details today to avoid penalties. And if he misses, even don't file the return, and return is missed on 21st, the day after GST filing date. It can be any date, due date. A message will be sent that GST at 3B was due yesterday and is still pending. Late filing attracts penalties. Please act immediately. And this is the last reminder. So we don't have to take for another follow-ups. So the thing doesn't stop here. When I forget to show my staff's login. My staff will get, the assigned staff will get a task on their planner based on the parties they are assigned. For example, all these parties are here because I am assigned on all these. So whenever return is filed, what happens is a mail is received from the department with the acknowledgement number. And in the most of the cases, professional uses this mail ID. So in Mailendra, the bot reads incoming mails and updates the compliance calendar with return acknowledgement, and also add compliances when a notice is issued. So to demonstrate this, I have already automated the mail itself. For example, Pachori sir's return of 3B of December 2025 is filed on 15 January. So my GST mail will get acknowledgement that return has been filed. And
The
in my
last 2 minutes is left.
Okay, ma'am, no issue. Thank you. I will get the compliance list will get updated automatically. So because it's a mail, so it takes time. So let me file all the returns. So all 3 returns are filed. I have received a mail for all 3 returns that their acknowledgement has been filed. So what will happen? My last bot, that is Manendra, it will automatically work. The bot keeps checking status of 3B return compliance. So just let me file my return as well. So it will automatically update whenever a return is filed, 3B return is filed, based on the client master, it will share a payment link on WhatsApp. So it is getting worked. So here is the acknowledgement. Dear, your GST-3B return has been filed, filing date, GST number, acknowledgement number, and within a few seconds, I will also get a payment link. And my next step is to suggestion is to make a subscription link. That is my next vision, next target. And whenever a new client is added in the list, a subscription link like we pay Netflix and other subscription, a subscription link for accounting compliances will be sent to the client, and they will subscribe to my services as well. And I don't have to ask for details again and again. So this is the payment link automatically
Sir,
generated.
time is over.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. It's all from my side. I like to thanks all the viewers and special thanks to Vishal Gandhi sir, because in the class, in the second day of AICA course, uh, he inspired me to follow the Power Automate. And these are the technologies I use: SharePoint, Power Automate, WhatsApp API, Payment Gateway, Microsoft Copilot, Power Apps for dashboard only. So for me, automation is equal to freedom. I suggest everyone to use AI as much and give time with your family and go in vacations uh, before AI starts asking for vacation. So thank you very much. I am open for grilling. Over to you, juries. Thank you.
Really great, Jagjit ji. And
Thank
I
you,
was
sir.
following up with all the messages because I was also receiving all the messages that you were showing. So, first thing first, what are the things that you have interconnected? Could you show the backend of the Power Apps that you have created?
Yes, sir. Basically, uh, the entire system is basically these are bots. These are automation like we use in N8 and other automation courses. Like this is a date calculator to make it work this. So it will get the client list first, and based on monthly, quarterly, it will create task and create compliance calendar items 3B and 3B task item, and same in the quarterly as well. For reminders, it
Sir,
will
I
get.
think you can you share the screen also
Sorry,
so that we are
sorry,
also
sorry,
able.
sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. One second.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. This is the due date calendar calculator, and whenever it runs, it gets the list items from the my client master, and those active clients will and from the active clients, it will create GSTR 1 and 3B task based on monthly and quarterly. And for reminders, it will get the details from compliance calendar, and those who returns are pending, it will calculate T minus 7, T minus 3, and T minus 1 dates. And based on that a message will be generated. It will send an email and WhatsApp API, and even it will update my compliance calendar about the last reminder that this was the date and the message which was sent to the client. So all the returns which were reminded will be get auto-populated. And next one is Milendra. Whenever a mail is received, this is basically a like in Excel, we select the text from like to find the middle name, left name, right name, first name, last name. I have used that technique and get that the return period, GST number, return type from the mail, and based on that, it will auto-populate. One thing I forget to show, it will, for example, if I receive a DRC notice, DRC01 notice, it will also send me based on the mail, it will also create a task that this is a notice and this is a due date, and it will send a message to the client that you have received a notice. And last one is Manendra. Its work is whenever a item is updated with its status, like it is filed, and it will get the details from the customer detail, it will get the amount, and based on that, it will generate a WhatsApp link, a payment link from Razorpay and send a WhatsApp API message. So, it is a long process, and I have just demonstrated as much I can because it is a routine process. So that's it, sir.
What is the costing of WhatsApp API that you talked about?
Sir, as much as I know, basically WhatsApp API is from Facebook is free. It charges 0.00012 paisa per message. But I'm not that technical yet, so I have used a third-party software, which is costing at present me around 2,000 per month. But additionally, I'm getting WhatsApp platform for my all team. Whenever a WhatsApp message is received, anyone who replies, it get noted. So I don't have limitations of 4 devices or 5 devices. I can create as many users as I can, and everyone can use the same WhatsApp, and their messages will be with the logged, like who responded to whose message and why he didn't close, like in customer care we are using.
Sure, sure, sure. Vishal sir? Ashish ji?
I think he has beautifully presented, and the way he has articulated the entire thing is interesting.
Yeah.
API
And I'll say
relating.
he just forgot to, Ashish, he just forgot to show the payment part because that is the essence for all the CAs.
And payment API also he has connected,
Yeah.
so I was also.
Sir, I want
He's
to
showing in
create a
the
subscription model for CAs.
And
yeah.
in the first time we would be getting advance fees for future services.
Sir,
Yeah.
clients are appreciating whenever their task is created or their return is filed, they get updated, and they are happy to receive the messages and pay on time. The
Yeah.
only part is that we are so involved in the work that we forget to ask for the payment, and sometimes we hesitate to tell them to make the payment, pending payment. So it get accumulated, and then issue arises.
Jagjit, one more thing. How are you handling the acknowledgement part? Where are you filling the acknowledgement? The data is completed and the acknowledgements have been generated. Filing has been completed. That was
Also
not
the
visible.
responses.
Sorry, sir, I didn't get your question.
So you are getting the client data, right? But after filing the return, where are you storing the acknowledgement in the system?
Sir, basically, I'm not there storing. I'm just getting the ARN number from the mail.
Okay.
I'm just getting the details from the mail that this return has been filed.
Okay.
Whenever I receive a mail from GST department, it has GST number and ARN, and
Okay.
from that I go to my data and update that record.
Okay. And if it is the customer, then you have got an issue if the emails belong to customers.
Yes,
Clients.
sir. Yes, sir. So
Yeah.
for that we have to go to further APIs like GST.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. But that is okay. Like it's a nice presentation.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Any
Yeah.
feedbacks or guidance?
No, yeah, just you have to think on the acknowledgement part. That was nowhere recorded in the entire flow. It is getting recorded in the email, but not nowhere in the flow.
Sir, please can you clarify that what to do?
See, the acknowledgement you are getting it in the email. That is okay, agreed. But it is not getting recorded on the planner part or the previous ones where you are using, where the automation is started.
No, sir. When I see the compliance calendar,
Huh.
so they're all ARN has been recorded with the
Okay,
data.
okay, okay. Because that was not shown, so I could not get it. Okay.
So sorry, sir,
Yeah,
because
yeah.
after the mail, it takes some time to update.
Huh.
So it was all recorded, and
Okay.
whenever a message payment link is sent, it automatically records that it has been billed.
Okay. Okay. Nice one.
Even if my staff and for my staff, just wait a second, sir. My staff don't have to complete their task whenever a mail is received. Their task will automatically get completed. Like these are the 4 returns they have.
It will be marked completed automatically, you mean to
Yes,
say?
yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir, because I have all the data. Only I need to populate that thing.
Okay.
Okay.
So thank you, sir.
Great.
Yeah.
Thank you. Now the last participant for today